Let's work on this problems based on the fundamental laws of logarithm. We'll begin with the first question. We have log of 2 plus log of 5. So here we are going to use the property when we have log of a added to log of b, that is equals to log of a times b. So using this property, we have log of 2 plus log of 5. So that will give us log of 2 times 5. The 2 times 5 will be 10. So we have log of 10. And whenever the base is not given, it is actually 10. So here all the logarithm has a base of 10. Now we are going to use another property that when log of a to the base of a, this value is always equals to 1. So we have log of 10 to the base of 10. So this value is going to be equals to 1. Moving on to the second question. Here we have log of 400 minus log of 4. Now we will be using the formula log of a minus log of b. So this is equals to log of a divided by b. So that means we have log of 400 minus log of 4. So that will be equals to log of 400 divided by 4. So 400 divided by 4, so this is 100. So we have log of 100. Now 100 can be also expressed as log of 10 squared. So here we will be using two properties. The first property being when we have log of a raised to the power of b, so this is equivalent to b times log of a, means the same thing. So if we use this property, then log of 10 squared will become 2 times log of 10. And we have already talked about this log of 10. This value is always equals to 1 because the base is 10. So this is going to give us 2 times 1. So our value will be equals to 2. Let's work on problem number 3. We have 4 log of 5 plus 2 log of 4. Here we're going to use this property. So that means we have log of 5 raised to the power of 4 plus log of 4 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to log of, now this, if we assume that a is 5 raised to the power of 4 and b is 4 squared, then this will be 5 raised to the power of 4 times 4 squared. So here we'll use the calculator to obtain the value of 5 raised to the power of 4 times 4 squared. So that is 10,000. So 10,000 is log of 10 raised to the power of 4. Now we will use the same property now to bring the 4 from the power to the front. So we have 4 times log of 10, and 10 is log of 10. This value is 1. So our final value will be equals to 4. So the value of log of 5 raised to the power of 4 plus log of 4 squared, this is equals to 4. Let's move on to the fourth problem. Problem number 4. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 terms. So let's tackle them one by one. So we will begin with log of 6 plus. So here we have 2 times log of 5. So this will be log of 5 squared plus log of 4. From the fourth and the fifth term, we're going to take -1 as the common factor. So that will be log of 3 plus log of 2. Right. So this will be log of 6 plus log of 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25 plus log of 4 minus we have log of 3 plus log of 2. So we'll use the property that log of a plus log of b plus log of c, that's equals to log of a, which is 6, times b, which is 25, times c, minus log of, so we have 3 plus log of 2, so that will be 3 times 2. This is equals to log of, so we have 6, 25 times 4 is 100, 100 times 6, this will be 600, minus log of 3 times 2, so this is 6. Then combining these two logarithms, we will have log of 600 divided by 6, so this is log of 100, and 100 is log of 10 squared. Bringing the 10 to the front, we have 2 times log of 10, and log of 10, this is always 1 because we have the base is 10. So this is equals to 2. So this is going to be the value of log of 6 plus 2, log of 5 plus log of 4 minus log of 3 minus log of 2. Now let's move on to problem number 5. Let's work on problem number 5. So we have half log of 36. So 36 is also 6 squared plus log of 5 minus log of 30. Now, instead of writing, let me do it in a different way. We have log of 30. So log of 30 is 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. I've just broken it down. And now, in the next step, we are going to bring 2 to the front. So we have 2 over 2 times log of 6 plus log of 5 minus, so we have log of 5 times 6. So this will be log of 5 plus log of 6. So this 2 and this 2 cancels out. So it says 1 times log of 6. We have log of 6 plus log of 5 minus log of 5 minus log of 6. So here log of 6 and negative log of 6, positive log of 5 and negative log of 5 cancels out, and this leaves us with the value 0. So this is the value of half log of 36 plus log of 5 minus log of 30. Let's move on to the sixth problem. So we have log of 5 plus 2 times log of 0.5 plus 3 times log of 2. So we have log of 5 plus 2 times log of 0.5, which we can also represent it as log of 0.5 raised to the power of 2 plus log of 2 cubed, right? So this will be equals to log of 5 plus log of 0.5 squared, so that will be 0.25 plus log of, so we have 2 cubed, so 2 cubed will be 8. Finally, we have log of a plus log of b plus log of c. That means we have log of multiplication of the 3 argument. This will be 5 multiplied to 0.25 times 8. So this will give us log of 10, and log of 10, this is equals to 1. Right? So we have obtained the value of log of 5 plus 2 times log of 0.5 plus 3 log of 2. So that's equals to 1. Okay, we have another 3 sets of problem. We need to determine the value of each of the following. Now let's begin with problem number 1. So in problem number 1, we have log of 2 plus we have 2 times log of 5. So we can rewrite it as log of 5 squared minus log of 3 minus log of 7 squared. So this is going to be equals to log of 2 plus log of 5 squared. So that's 25. So we will add them separately in the next step. Minus, we're going to take negative 1 as the common factor. So we have log of 3 plus log of 49. Now log of 2 plus log of 25. So this is going to be equals to log of 2 times 25 minus log of 3 plus log of 49. So that's log of 3 times 49. Now finally, this will be equals to log of 2 times 25. So this is 50 minus log of 3 times 49. So that's 147. So this will be equals to log of 50 divided by 147. This is the final answer. Let's go to problem number 2. This time what we'll do, we have log of 9 over 14. So we'll break it down. So this will be log of 9 minus log of 14. Plus we have log of 35 over 24. So that will be log of 35 minus log of 24. Then we have negative of log of 15 over 16. So this will be negative times log of 15 minus log of 16. So this is equals to So we have log of 9. So log of 9 will be log of 3 squared minus log of 14. So 14 is 2 times 7 plus log of 35. So our 35 is 7 times 5 minus log of 24. So 24 is, we have to find out the factors of 24. So the factors of 24 are, so we have 2 times 12. So 12 will be 2 times 6, 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 2. E times 3 is 24, which is also 2 cubed times 3. We'll use this. So this will be 2 cubed times 3. Negative log of 15. So we have negative log of 15. So 15 will be 5 times 3. Then we have negative times negative. So this will become positive log of 16. So 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. Right. Now finally, we will simplify all of them. So we have log of 3 squared. So this will be 2 times log of 3. Minus, so we have log of 2 times 7. There's a product here. So this will be log of 2 plus log of 7. But because we have a negative sign here, so this will be negative log of 7. Plus log of 7 times 5 will be log of 7 plus log of 5. Minus, we have log of 2 cubed times 7. So this will be log of 2 cubed. So this cubed can be brought, the 3 can be brought into front. So we have 3 log 2. We have plus log 3, but since there is a negative sign here, so this will be negative log 3. Minus, we have log of 5 times 3, so that will be negative log 5 minus log 3 plus 4 times log of 2. Now, we'll see that we have 2 times log of 3, and there is a negative 3 times log of 2, and right. So this is 2 times log of 3 minus log of 3. So these will cancel out. Then we have negative log of 2, negative 3 log of 2, and positive 4 log of 2. So this is also going to go cancel out. Negative log of 7, positive log of 7, log of 5, and negative log of 5. So all has cancelled out, and this finally leaves us with the value 0. So that means the value of log of 9 over 14 plus log of 35 over 24 minus log of 15 over 16, this is equals to 0. Now let's come to the third problem. So let's start with problem number 3. So here we have log of 11 over 5. So this will be log of 11 minus log of 5 plus log of 14 over 3. So this is log of 14 minus log of 3 minus log of 22 minus log of 15. So I've broken down the logarithm. So now let's further simplify this. We have log of 11, so this cannot be simplified, minus log of 5 plus log of 14. So 14 will be log of 2 times 7 minus log of 3 minus log of 22. So 22 is 2 times 11. This negative and this negative will become positive. So we have log of 15. So 15 is 3 times 5. So this will be log of 11 minus log of 5 plus log of 2 plus log of 7 minus log of 3 minus log of 2. So actually it's log of 2 plus log of 11, but since we have a negative sign, so this will be negative log 2 minus log 11 plus log of 3 plus log of 5. Let's see if some terms gets cancelled out. So we have log 11 and negative log 11. So this cancels out. We have negative log 5 and positive log 5. We have negative log 3 and positive log 3. Positive log 2 and negative log 2. And we see that only one of the terms survives, which is log of 7. So this is going to be the final value of log 11 over 5 plus log of 14 over 3 minus log of 22 over 15. Let me show you another way to find the value. So in problem number 3, we can do in another way. So this will be log of 11 over 5 plus log of 14 over 3. So this minus is actually -1. So we have plus log of 22 over 15 raised to the power of -1. Will mean the same thing. So we have log of 11 over 5 plus log of 14 over 3 plus log of, so reciprocal of 22 over 15, so that will become 15 over 22. Now we have log of a plus log of b plus log of c, so this will be equals to log of 11 over 5 times 14 over 3 times 15 over 22. So we have 11 times 2 is 22, 5 times 3 is 15, so this cancels out, and 2 times 7 is 14, so that means we are left with log of 7, which is also obtained in the previous case. Now we can use this methodology to also find out the value of this particular logarithm. So when we do that, this is going to give us log of 1, and when we have log of 1, regardless of what the base is, it could be 10, 2, 3, it doesn't matter, this value is always going to be equals to 0. So try it out as well.